Reliance Naval and Engineering, Ranaval, the shipyard controlled by Anil Ambani, said it's facing an acute cash flow crunch. The disclosure comes ahead of a court hearing whether to put the company under insolvency proceedings. Ranaval, which has defaulted on debt of over 6,460 crore rupees, said the government's policy changes have not led to increased shipbuilding contracts for private companies. Subscribe to the channel for more news.